Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm talking about not Traphaco or DHG Pharma, the stock up company specializing in herbal medicine has the highest market value in the industry. Cash dividends are like a picture. In the period 2012 to 2021, the company never forgets to pay dividends in cash to shareholders. Notably, in 2019 and 2020, at the rate of 25%. The rest of years, the pay dividends are at the line arbiter rate of 20%. Uh, Referring to pharmaceutical companies listed on the Vietnamese stock exchange, investors can easily bond to the big guys with long-term experience, such as Traphaco, ticker code TRA, DHG Pharma, called DHG Pharma, or Hatay Pharmaceutical, called DHT. The attention focus on these stocks may many people forget a less well-known stock, but the market price reached the most expensive position in the industry. The supply name is the NDC stocks of Nam Yong Stocks Company, which is trading on Upcom starting from March 2010. There were times in mid 2017 when the market price TRA or DHG entered the top of the three-digit club. Stock market price over 1,000 Vietnam Dong. The market price NDC was behind, only fluctuating around 22,000 to 25,000 Vietnam Dong in share. However, rising the 2021 NDC suddenly accelerated rapidly, and at one point touched the 1,000 in share. April 5, 2022, ranking in the top one. And the top one. Okay. In pharmaceutical market price, the stock has seen adjusted down to 95,500 down and share, but is still higher than 94,000 down share of TRA or the 86 down share DHG. The market price exceed the TRA or DHG, but the capitalization of NDC is much more modest, with less than 600 billion down, because there are only nearly 6 million shares outstanding. The liquidity of this stock is also very bloodless, with many sessions even without transactions. Therefore, just 100 March shares is sometimes enough to make NDC market rise, lost by tens of thousands of dong. This comes from the regulatory conservative structure of Nam Youth shareholder The two largest shareholders in the enterprise hold more than 2.4 million shares, 40.71% of capital. And Yale Pharmaceutical Company Limited holds more than 1 million shares, 16.94% of capital. In addition, the list of major shareholders are mainly leaders to so the number of shares floating in the market is not much. Just over 3 million shares upheld by share by small shareholder less than 3 million shares, 5%, leading to the phenomenon of freezing of liquidity in many the sections mentioned above. In red row, business result is watching on the cosmetics segment. Although rarity obscure on stock exchange, the name Namju often appears on media of advertising. Billington Paul's famous for products derived from Vietnamese medicine such as by cyanide, canopy Namju cause medicine Tibeta. The division of enterprise is become reputable pharmaceutical company and national brand of herbal and natural product in Vietnam. Looking back at in history, Namjo's were estimated in 2004 with a chapter capital of VND 3.5 billion. By 2009, before the listing of Upcom, the figure was raised to VND 56.8 billion and maintained throughout the years until NDC sold 284,000 bonus shares for key position in the company. In November 2019 and in capital to Vietnam đồng 59.64 billion. Despite modest size, NDC has maintained remarkable business growth for many years. Since 2016 and growth rate both revenue and profit, NDC has mostly reached positive number. Most recent 2021 is